Israel Utara mengalami kebakaran besar pada Senin 3 Juni 2024 setelah dihantam sejumlah rudal pasukan perlawanan di Lebanon, Hizbullah. Akibat insiden itu, warga panik ketakutan. Ada sekitar 15 lokasi di Israel Utara yang mengalami kebakaran. Kebakaran terbesar.
Serangan Israel ke kota Rafah, Gaza Selatan memaksa lebih dari 1 juta warga Palestina mencari tempat pengungsian baru. Hal ini disampaikan oleh Badan PBB untuk Pengungsi Palestina (UNRWA).
Hello guys, my name is Sherly Santika. I study at Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. I am a student of the Public Administration Study Program. My name is 23050200071. And my English assignment this time is Reject Genocide. The conflict between Palestine and Israel is one of the longest and most complex conflict in the modern world at this time, June 2024. The situation in Palestine and Israel remains tense and violent, with the various incidents of violence and clashes between the two sides. Here are some key points that describe the current situation. Number 1. Gaza's conflict. Tension in the Gaza Strip continue with the rocket attack launched by the Hamas militant group into Israeli territory and retaliatory attack by the Israeli military on Gaza. Casualties, including civilians, continue to fall as a result of this attack. Number 2. West Bank. In the West Bank, the situation is also tense with clashes between Israeli settlers and Palestinian, as well as clashes between Israeli security forces and Palestinian demonstrators. There are reports of the eviction of Palestinian homes by the Israeli authorities and the construction of new settlements. 3. Humanitarian situation. The humanitarian situation in Gaza and the West Bank in every worrying. The blockade imposed on Gaza has caused a shortage of supplies of basic necessities such as food, medicine, and fuel. Meanwhile, in the West Bank, movement and access to basic research are also key issues. Number 4. Diplomacy and negotiation. International diplomatic efforts to reach peaceful solution continue, although the results are often insignificant. Countries. Number 5. International role. The international community, including the UN, the European Union, and various causes, continue to express accusation of violence and the need for a two-state solution as a just and permanent solution to this conflict. However, the resulting resolutions are often not implemented effectively and fail. So, the impact of the Palestinian-Israeli conflict to date is a very broad and deep, covering various aspects of social, economy, political, and humanitarian life for both parties. Here are some of the main impacts. For one, loss of life and injuries. Thousands of people have been killed and injured as a result of ongoing violence. The casualties, including civilians, including women and children. Number 2, infrastructure damage. Many infrastructure such as house, schools, hospital, and other public facilities were destroyed by air strikes, bombing, and military operation In Gaza, the damage was particularly severe due to frequent airstrikes from Israel. Number 3. Humanitarian crisis in Gaza. The blockade imposed by Israel has caused a severe humanitarian crisis with shortage of food, clean water, medicine, and fuel. Many residents live in every difficult condition, with every high level of unemployment and poverty. 4. Refuge and resettlement. Thousands of Palestinians have become internally displaced persons are in neighboring countries. In the West Bank, Israeli settlement construction continues, leading to the demolition of Palestinian homes and protracted conflict. 5. Psychological trauma. Constant violence and the uncertainty of life cause deep psychological trauma, especially in children. Many suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder and other mental disorder. 6. Economic crisis. The conflict has hampered economic development on both sides, but its impact has been more pronounced in Palestine. Unemployment is high, especially among young people, and limited economic opportunity for their worsened living condition. And the last, political instability. Political instability continue in both regions. In Palestine, internal division between Hamas and Fatah exacerbate and the situation, while in Israel, complex political dynamics and government policies regarding this conflict have then become a major issue in domestic politics. So, overall, the Palestinian-Israeli conflict has a far-from whispered impact. So, terima kasih. Thank you.